Alright, what we have here today is the replacement of a Gfci outlet. Yay! Gfci outlets. They can be tricky. Remove the cover. Remove the old Gfci. And what we have here is extremely old Gfci. What we're looking for is line and load. So, with a simple test, you can find out. First, take off. And take the black wires. Use your test stick. That's your hot. Nothing else should register. So that's your line. Cap that. This is your load right here. This is where it goes out to all the other outlets that are being protected by this Gfci. So you want to get the black and the white. That's line. There's your line. This is your load. Ground hooks up first. I like to trim these shorter because the new Gfci outlets like them shorter. So line, there's your ground. This is your line. This is your white line. White line. This is your white load. This little seal tells you this goes to load. Put them in the holes, tighten the screw. Now these screws have a tendency of loosening up, so I like to double tighten them. You flip the outlet like this, load, push that screw in, and line. Like that. Reset button and test. Good to go. Nice white cover back on.